Hi, my name is Zivya, and this is our first class on database management system. So let's get started. So our first question is, what is data? A data is defined as a small unit of information, and the word data is derived from a word datum, which means a single piece of information. And moving on, so now the question is, what is a database? A database is a collection of related data. And can a compendium of any kind of data can be stored in a database? Let us see its properties. What a database has. A database represents some aspect of real world. That means a database can or will store the data of some real world interactions. And the next second point is a database is a coherent collection of data with some inherent meaning. That is, a database stores some logical collection of data which is having some implicit meaning and which can also be recorded. And a database is designed, built, and populated with data for a specific purpose. That is, it's intended for a group of users and applications in which the users are integrated. So, moving on, now what is a DBMS? DBMS stands for Database Management System. So, what does it mean? A database management system is a computerized system that enables users to create and maintain a database. In today's market, we find so many number of DBMS. We have numerous DBMS systems available in the market today. Like for example, just to mention MySQL, Microsoft Access, Oracle, IBM DB2, DBase, etc. These are a few examples of a DBMS. So to elaborate on this, the database management system is a general purpose software system that facilitates the following processes. So what can a DBMS or what can a DBMS do? It can help to define, construct, manipulate, share, protect, and maintain a database. How can it do it? Do this all? The first one is define. Defining a database involves specifying the data types, structures, and constraints of the data that is being stored onto the database. And construction involves storing the data onto a storage medium that is being supported by the DBMS. Manipulating data involves retrieving the data from the database with using some query language. We will be discussing about this query language in our forthcoming sessions and update the data and generate the reports of that data. And sharing of the data with multitude of users and applications. Protect. It offers the security protection against hardware or software malfunctions and unauthorized or malicious accesses. The next one is maintain. Generally, a typical database have a life of many years because a database is generally developed for a special purpose and there is lots and lots of data that's being stored and it will last for many years. So the DBMS should maintain the database by allowing the system to evolve and adopt as the requirements changes over the time. So this is what about data, database and DBMS. So in the forthcoming sessions, we will be discussing about so many related topics in DBMS. So I think this session is helpful.